It's a very warm strawberry festival. Look at these Tampa numbers, folks. Every day in the month of March so far has been above normal, including Friday. Look, we hit our first 90-degree temperature on Friday. Also, the earliest we have ever hit 90 degrees, and then upper 80s Saturday, 82 on Sunday. Now, in terms of rainfall, at least we picked up some rain, and we got that on Saturday, about an inch of rain at the airport there. Other than that, it's been next to nothing. Now, the rain chances for the first few days of this week are going to go down along the coast. We'll get a couple of showers inland, and then on Thursday, everybody's got a good shot at picking up a shower. Look how mild it is. 64 in Lakeland, 65 in Brooksville. I got 68 in Tampa, 73 still in St. Petersburg. And you see all these calms, so very light winds as well. And when you get a light wind pattern like this, what will happen is it'll allow that sea breeze to start a little bit earlier and to push it inland. It also pushes our chances of showers inland. But we also have some drier air aloft, and that combination is going to lower the rain chance to about 10% for today. And the best of that 10% will be inland locations. The humidity is high. That's not going to change anytime soon. And our temperatures today go right back up to the mid-80s for Tampa. Got some upper 80s inland, some lower 80s along the coast. Still very warm, folks, even though it's a couple degrees cooler than what we experienced over the weekend. Tonight, overnight lows are back into the 60s, and then tomorrow right back into the 80s. And notice inland locations tomorrow, 89, maybe some 90s as well. So record-breaking heat inland with some mid-80s tomorrow right along the entire coast. Now, in terms of rainfall, watch today. Concentrated well inland. Polk County, Highlands County, you got the best overall rain chance with really next to nothing back along the coast. And then for tomorrow, kind of the same thing. We're going to see just one or two very isolated showers inland. We have to remember that it is still March. And while we had a nice setup last week, which made it feel like a little preview of summer, we don't have that this week in general. So 86 degrees for you with a 10% chance of an inland shower or storm. Mild buggy tonight, low 68. Tuesday, pretty similar to Monday. Unseasonably warm with highs in the mid to upper 80s. Great day to do some boating. Should be smooth on the coastal waters for you with a water temperature of about 68 degrees. And I got 741 high tide in St. Petersburg this morning. Quick rain chance on Thursday as this front comes through, but notice it's not going to have much impact on the temperatures. We're going to go from 87 on Wednesday, Elise. We're going to knock it way down to 82 on Thursday, if you're okay with that.
Dave, when are we